Welcome to a life-changing discovery. Did you know that a rare bicentennial 20 pence coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II could be worth millions? This small coin holds unimaginable wealth, turning ordinary people into overnight millionaires. If you have one, you might be sitting on a fortune without even realizing it. Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets behind this rare treasure and how it could change your life forever. Don't spend it. This coin has the power to make you rich beyond imagination. First, the 2010 bicentennial 20 pence coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II is one of the rarest and most valuable coins in existence today. While many see it as just another piece of pocket change, collectors and numismatists know its true worth. One that can transform an ordinary person into a billionaire overnight. This coin holds unimaginable wealth, and if you are lucky enough to have one, you might be sitting on a fortune beyond your wildest dreams. What makes this coin so incredibly valuable? The answer lies in its rarity, historical significance, and unique minting errors that make it stand out from the rest. While millions of 20 pence coins were produced in 2010, only a few feature distinct errors such as double strikes, off-center prints, or rare metal compositions. These rare variations have sent collectors into a frenzy, pushing the value of this coin into the millions. Imagine finding an old 20 pence coin in your collection, only to realize it could make you an instant millionaire. This is not just a fantasy. It has happened to people before, who unknowingly held onto rare coins worth life-changing amounts. Some of these coins have been discovered in circulation, tucked away in forgotten collections, or even found in change from everyday transactions. The key to unlocking this fortune lies in knowing what to look for, and understanding the rarity of what you possess. Many people have unknowingly spent these incredibly rare coins without realizing their true worth. Every day, someone might be handing over a fortune without a second thought. This is why it's so important to check your spare change and examine any 2010 20 pence coins closely. The difference between spending it for a few pence and selling it for millions is simply awareness. The right buyer could turn your small coin into an unimaginable fortune. As the demand for rare coins continues to grow, their market value is skyrocketing. With each passing year, fewer of these rare coins remain in circulation, making them even more valuable to collectors. Every time a rare 2010 bicentennial 20 pence coin is found and sold, its scarcity increases, further driving up its price. Owning one of these coins means you hold a true numismatic treasure that only a few in the world can claim. If you think you have one of these extraordinary coins, it is crucial to have it professionally appraised. Experts in coin grading can verify its rarity, determine its condition, and assess its true market value. A single verified 2010 bicentennial 20 pence coin can spark intense bidding wars among collectors, pushing its price into the millions. The best way to handle such a discovery is to protect your coin, research its potential, and connect with the right numismatic communities to secure the highest possible price. The story of this rare 2010 coin is a reminder that hidden wealth can be found in the most unexpected places. From a simple piece of currency to a financial breakthrough, this coin represents a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It serves as proof that sometimes the smallest things can hold the greatest value, capable of turning an ordinary person into an instant millionaire. So, before you dismiss that old 20 pence coin sitting in your drawer, take a closer look. It might just be the key to a fortune beyond your imagination. The world of numismatics is full of surprises. Will you be the next to uncover a hidden treasure? Second, the world of rare coins is full of surprises, and every now and then, a simple piece of change turns out to be worth an unimaginable fortune. Among the most astonishing discoveries in numismatic history is the legendary 2015 20 pence coin, a small yet incredibly valuable treasure that has left collectors and investors in awe. If you happen to possess one of these rare gems, you may be holding the key to overnight wealth, a fortune so massive that it could transform your financial destiny in an instant. But what makes this tiny coin worth millions? What hidden secrets lie within its design, history, and rarity that make it one of the most sought-after coins in the world? This is no ordinary piece of metal. The 2015 20 pence coin is surrounded by an aura of mystery, a numismatic enigma that has sent shockwaves through the world of collectors. Some call it the coin of dreams, while others believe it to be the ultimate jackpot in the coin collecting universe. Unlike regular 20 pence coins that circulate in the United Kingdom, this particular variant possesses unique features that make it an ultra-rare anomaly. Whether it's a minting error, a special engraving, or a mysterious origin, this coin has captured the fascination of experts and collectors alike, driving its value to astronomical heights. But what exactly makes this coin so rare and valuable? The answer lies in a combination of factors. First, its scarcity. Only a handful of these coins are believed to exist, making them incredibly difficult to find. Second, the unusual markings or errors present on the coin make it one of a kind, a true collector's dream. Some reports suggest that a small batch of these coins was mistakenly produced with a design flaw, making them stand out from the rest of the standard currency. When such rare mistakes occur, they create a frenzy in the market, leading to skyrocketing prices as collectors battle to own a piece of history. The value of this rare 2015 20 pence coin has surged to unimaginable levels. Some collectors and auction houses have placed its worth in the millions, turning it into a numismatic phenomenon. Imagine a simple pocket change item, something you might have unknowingly used for a minor purchase, now being worth more than luxury cars, mansions, or even private islands. It's a scenario straight out of a dream, but for those lucky enough to have found this coin, it has become a life-changing reality. With demand soaring and supply nearly non-existent, its price continues to rise, making it one of the most lucrative collectibles in modern history. So what should you do if you have one of these prized coins? The golden rule is simple. Never, under any circumstances, spend it for its face value. A single mistake, a moment of ignorance could cost you millions. Instead, get it professionally appraised, consult numismatic experts, and explore high-end auction houses that specialize in rare currency. The right buyer, the right platform, and the right timing could mean the difference between a decent payout and an astronomical fortune. Patience is key, as the longer you hold on to this rare treasure, the more its value could potentially increase. The 2015 20 pence coin is more than just currency. It's a symbol of hidden wealth, a secret jackpot waiting to be discovered. Many people may have encountered this coin without realizing its true worth, unknowingly letting go of a fortune. But for those who recognize its value, it represents the ultimate financial breakthrough, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that could rewrite the story of their lives. Stories of ordinary people turning into millionaires overnight after discovering rare coins are not uncommon, and this coin is no exception. It's proof that sometimes the smallest things hold the greatest treasures. The global numismatic market is filled with collectors eager to own a piece of history, and this coin is at the top of their wish lists. With its mysterious origins, limited availability, and the frenzy it has created among experts, its legend continues to grow. Those lucky enough to possess this coin are in a powerful position, holding an asset that could make them instant millionaires. If you ever come across one, consider yourself one of the luckiest people in the world, because you are now in possession of something that holds the power to change your fortune forever. The world is full of hidden treasures, and the 2015 20 pence coin stands as one of the most remarkable discoveries in recent times. It serves as a reminder that extraordinary wealth can sometimes be found in the most unexpected places. So, check your old coin collections, dig through your drawers, and inspect your spare change. You never know when fate might place a fortune right in the palm of your hand. If you are one of the fortunate few to own this rare masterpiece, embrace its value, hold onto it tightly, and prepare for the moment when its true worth is finally recognized. Third, the world of rare coins is full of astonishing discoveries, but none compare to the mind-blowing value of the 2016 20 pence coin. A simple piece of metal, no larger than the coins you carry in your pocket every day, yet it holds a secret, so powerful that it could turn an ordinary person into a billionaire overnight. This is no ordinary coin. It is a legend in the making, a hidden treasure that has collectors and investors scrambling to find it. If you happen to own one, you are sitting on an unimaginable fortune, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to transform your financial destiny forever. What makes this coin so rare and valuable? It is not just about its age or metal composition. There is something extraordinary about this particular 20 pence piece from 2016 that sets it apart from the rest. Whether it was a minting error, a secret design variation, or a misprint that only a handful of people have ever noticed. One thing is certain. This coin has become a holy grail for collectors. Some say it was accidentally released into circulation, with a mistake so unique that it turned it into one of the rarest coins in existence. Others believe there is a hidden story behind its creation, a secret known only to a select few. The value of this remarkable 2016 20 pence coin has reached astronomical levels. It is no longer just a piece of currency. It is a piece of history, a financial miracle that could make its lucky owner a millionaire or even a billionaire overnight. Imagine a simple coin, something you might have unknowingly spent on a small purchase, now being worth more than luxury cars, mansions, or even entire islands. It sounds like a fairy tale, but for those who have come across this coin, it is a dream come true. The market is going wild, and collectors are offering mind-blowing sums just to get their hands on this rare treasure. So how does one determine if they own this priceless coin? The key lies in the details. A tiny variation, an unnoticed flaw, or an unusual marking could mean the difference between an ordinary 20 pence coin and one worth millions. If you have any 2016 20 pence coins in your collection, do not underestimate their potential. Get them examined by numismatic experts, consult with rare coin specialists, and research every possible sign that could indicate you are holding one of the rarest coins in the world. The right coin in the right hands could unlock a future beyond your wildest dreams. If you happen to possess this life-changing coin, the most important rule is this: never spend it at face value. The biggest mistake you could make is using it like any other coin, unaware of its true worth. Many people have unknowingly let go of fortune simply because they didn't realize what they had. Instead, safeguard it. Keep it in pristine condition, and seek out the best buyers. High-end auction houses, elite collectors, and international coin investors are all on the hunt for this gem, ready to pay millions to add it to their prized collections. The longer you hold on to it, the higher its value may rise, making it an even greater investment for the future. The 2016 20 pence coin is more than just a collector's item. It is a symbol of hidden fortune, a ticket to financial freedom that could change lives overnight. Many people go through life searching for wealth, never realizing that sometimes unimaginable riches can be found in the simplest of places. A forgotten drawer, an old coin collection, or even loose change in a piggy bank could hold the key to a fortune beyond belief. This coin is proof that miracles exist, and that destiny has a strange way of rewarding those who pay attention to the small details. Beginning collectors around the world are in a frenzy, desperately searching for this one-of-a-kind coin. It has become the ultimate prize, a treasure so rare that its legend continues to grow with each passing day. Those fortunate enough to possess it are in a position of power, holding an asset that could make them overnight millionaires. If you have it, treat it like gold, because in today's market it is worth far more than anyone could have ever imagined. Your fate is now in your hands, and the right move could lead you to a future of limitless wealth. Hidden fortunes are all around us, waiting to be discovered. And the 2016 20 pence coin is one of the greatest examples of this phenomenon. Never underestimate the value of what you hold, for even the smallest things can lead to the greatest treasures. So search through your coins, inspect every detail, and keep your eyes open. Because the next time you check your pocket change, you might just find yourself holding the key to unimaginable riches. The world's most valuable 20 pence coin is out there, and if you are lucky enough to own it, your journey to immense wealth is only beginning.